In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make cranberry sauce easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and you noticed that the holidays are getting closer and closer. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The great thing about homemade cranberry sauce, that number one, it's super easy to make, and number two, it tastes way better than the store-bought. So you're gonna have your family and friends praising your cooking technique. The first thing that you're gonna need is 12 ounces of cranberries, or about 340 grams, and this is about 4 cups. Our next ingredient is 1 cup of sugar, or about 200 grams. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can always add at the end. And what makes this recipe so easy is that the same amount of sugar that you use is the same amount of liquid that you're gonna use. So for every cup of sugar, you use 1 cup of water. Or you can even use orange juice, which is about 236 grams. Here in the StatUpBox team, we like to go the half and half route. Half a cup of water, half a cup of orange juice. Like that, you get the good of both worlds. It's like having a jacuzzi and a pool. An optional ingredient is the zest of an orange. 1 or 2 tablespoons should be enough, or you can adjust the taste. Now that we filled your brain with cups, tablespoons, grams, ounces, we're ready to start the recipe. The first thing that we're gonna need is a saucepan, but basically you can use any pan you want. At the end of the day, you are the king, queen, both or none of your castle. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. We want to set the temperature to medium low, or the number 3, and the first ingredient that we add is the sugar. We move it around so all the members in the jacuzzi get to know each other, and now that they gotten to know each other a little bit, now we drown them. I mean, we splash them with happy water. And because we're doing the half and half method, now we go ahead and add our half a cup of orange juice. We go ahead and mix that in very well until the sugar dissolves. Now that our victims are ready, I mean the mix is ready, we can add our cranberries. Always remember to wash them before using. If you notice any unripe ones, you can go ahead and remove them beforehand. They are usually the non-red ones. They could be yellow, green, but if you like it, you can keep them. Remember, you spend your hard-earned cash buying them. And now comes the hardest thing of the whole video, and it is waiting and stirring. Usually 10 minutes should do the trick. If you notice the liquid might over boil, you can lower it to number 1 or low, and then bring it back up once the chaos is controlled. As time goes, you're gonna notice that the cranberries start to burst. This is a great sign. The liquid starts thickening, and now comes the most important thing of the whole video, and it is your input. Now it all depends how thick you want the sauce or how broken down you want the cranberry. The more you stir, the more they break down. If you like little pieces of cranberries on your sauce, then stirring less would be best. And who said our writing skills are not up to par? Once we've gotten to our desired thickness and cranberry breakage, we can add a pinch of salt. Remember, when cooking, baking, or doing any sweet recipe, a pinch of salt goes a long way. If you chose to add the orange zest, this would be the time to insert it in the mix. We stir until it's mixed in well, and now you can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. We take it off the stove and let it cool down. But as good as this looks and tastes, we'll have a bite right here and right now. You've become one step closer to the master of the holidays. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.